Okay, so what I am testing out here is behavior that I taught Kempie for part of my KPA CTP chain for my final exam, and it's to knock over the cup and then press the button underneath. So the button itself is a cue. Good girl. And we haven't done this in a while, maybe a year, I'm not sure. So we'll see if she will respond. This is the first time I'm bringing this out. Kempie, knock it! Yes!
That was easy.
Good girl! Yay! Touch! Yes. Good girl, Kempie. Wait. That was easy. You're so good. Okay, so she remembered. Yay! Yay. Kempie. Okay. To your great. Good girl.